Hi guys, welcome back. So you guys already know that I'm making a drone. So there one more parcel from robu.in. I'm going to open it. I ordered frame and some other thing also. Let's see. Okay. So this is a shock absorber, for flight controller and zip ties and the main wait a minute. Main product. So this is a S500. See what we got here. So first of all, the arms. Okay, wait. The four arms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got four arms. Okay, let's see. Next is landing gear is here. Okay, let it be. These are the landing gears, right? Let me stick that. This is the landing gears I'm talking about. Two, four landing gears. Yes. And next we got these two pipes to hold a battery, and some attachments, some clips and plates for battery. These are some clips, some washers, okay, screws, 1, 2, 3 different type of screws. The PCB board. Okay, so guys, these are the things I ordered from Robu. Okay, uh, 2-3 things I have to buy from the market. Okay, though I will make a detailed video on the parts of the drone which I ordered or uh, buy from the market. Okay, so until then, adios, love you.